Have you ever posted anything on Instagram and you've got really excited and you're saying to yourself, this is a great post, it's going to blow up, it might even go viral, only for you to check out a few hours later and it's already starting to fizzle out? Well, that's a common problem for all of us on Instagram. And basically that's the Instagram ranking system working, but behind that is also the Instagram algorithm working. And together they combined, and we need to understand them and learn them. That way our posts get the best opportunities to really grow and be seen. So believe it or not, there is a piece of content that Instagram is favouring significantly at the moment. And if we understand that, we will rank higher and our channel and posts will do very well. But behind that, we also need to understand the algorithm. So I'm going to tell you what that number one ranking piece of content is in about a minute. But we also need to understand the algorithm and what Instagram is looking for. So the algorithm, when it ranks our posts, there's a few different factors, and it's one, interest. How likely is a user going to engage with this piece of content? Equally, recency. How recent was this particular piece of content posted? And the all-important engagement. How much interaction is this piece of content going to get? So Adam Mosseri, the head of Instagram, actually in a blog post or an interview recently, he said, well, TikTok and YouTube are focusing on likes and time spent watching. Instagram are focusing on shares. So understanding the ranking system, understanding the algorithm, and then creating shareable content, that's going to have a huge determination on how well our post goes. So the number one piece of content that Instagram is really focusing on and favouring at the moment, which will help you rank higher, is Instagram Reels. They're really pushing it at the moment because TikTok is absolutely exploding and has done for years. And YouTube Shorts are now on the bandwagon as well. YouTube Shorts, owned by Google, we're all competing for eyeballs and watch time online. So if we focus on creating shareable content in Instagram Reels, that's going to trigger the algorithm, and it's also going to improve your chances of ranking higher. So we're wanting to create posts that our audience want to share, relatable information, inspirational quotes, educational tips, that type of thing. Now, an example of that could be someone like myself or one of the influencers explaining Instagram Reels or a new feature on Instagram. How is that particular working? So maybe also leveraging on trending topics as well. If something in your field of business or interest is trending, creating topics on that, adding appropriate hashtags. They've become less important, but still people are doing that. And equally, once you've uploaded your comment, go to the comment section below and add a call to action comment yourself. That's going to help with the boosting of visibility. It's going to trigger the algorithm, and it's going to help you rank higher again.